Hi, this is Teacher Marian, and I will introduce to you the dramatic play area with the theme Post Office. A dramatic play learning center is an essential part of the preschool classroom. Dramatic play helps children play with items and tools adults use in everyday life. Role play also helps children learn about their community, their surrounding environment, and a variety of careers.
Children dramatic play activities supply such as dress up and other dramatic play props allow children to have fun pretending to be someone else, thus encouraging empathy and creativity for children in preschool. Using dramatic play as a fun activity keeps preschoolers and other children from getting bored and allow them to be someone else for a brief period of time. Dramatic play helps children practice vocabulary skills, reading skills, and writing skills.